Hello everyone, we come back to the channel. After spending 5 relaxing days at the peaceful village Hotel Changi, we moved right into the heart of vibrant Singapore. Welcome to Citadines Rochor, our home for the next few days. Located in the colorful and cultural Little India district, this 2-room suite gave us the perfect mix of comfort, convenience, and city energy. So come along, let's step inside and see what this modern stay has to offer. This is a 2-room suite at Citadines Rochor, and we're starting the tour with the second room first. It's designed like a cozy hotel room, featuring twin beds, a functional work desk, and some handy appliances like a microwave, mini refrigerator, and electric kettle. Perfect for quick snacks, tea breaks, or getting some work done in a quiet corner. Let's take a closer look at this space before we move on to the main suite. The cost of staying in this 2-room executive suite is around 400 to 450 Singapore dollars per night. The washroom is spacious, clean, and well lit, with a walk-in shower, fresh towels, and all essential toiletries provided. Now let's head inside the main suite, which opens up to a fully equipped kitchenette, ideal for long stays or families like ours. Right as you enter, you'll find everything you need: a refrigerator, cooker hood and hob, utensils for cooking and dining, and even a coffee maker for your morning brew. One of the best parts? It comes with a washing machine with inbuilt dryer. And yes, they even provide the washing powder. Thoughtfully designed to give you all the comforts of home, right in the heart of Singapore. The living and dining area is cozy and functional, with a sofa, dining table, and a wall-mounted TV with cable channels. Great for relaxing after a busy day. The bedroom features a comfortable queen-size bed, a work table, a walk-in storage closet, and an attached washroom. Everything you need for a relaxing and productive stay.
You have bread,
Lottery, noodles,
spaghetti,
egg, some sauce,
you have orange juice. This is orange juice, that
and
is
this is butter. This is
And you have snacks.
some chocolate.
What else? You
This
have
is
cheese.
some sauce.
You have cheese. Okay, sauce. You have oats for breakfast.
Yeah, oats.
Okay. And what else? That is popcorn. Hooray! Are you happy?
Yeah.
So we can cook egg, 2 egg, some toast.
After a cozy breakfast, let's head down to check out the facilities this place has to offer. The hotel offers a compact but well-equipped gym with all the essentials to keep you active, plus a refreshing swimming pool to unwind after a busy day. Right near the reception, there's a convenient grab-and-go breakfast spot where you can pick up your meal from 6:30 to 10 a.m. Perfect for busy mornings. Or if you prefer to eat at the hotel, there's a spacious community kitchen with plenty of dining tables, giving you a comfortable place to enjoy your breakfast. This community kitchen is not just spacious but also fully equipped with all the essentials you need to cook your meals, and plenty of seating to enjoy your food comfortably. Since I have plenty of time today, I'm going to cook here and make myself a nice meal. Today, I'm cooking a simple and tasty meal, egg fried rice with zucchini. Let's see how it turns out. With this delicious egg fried rice and zucchini ready, I'm winding up my tour of the Citadines Rochor 2-room suite. Thanks for joining me. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like my video. See you in the next video.